Still got Willie's Chicken Shack, but unfortunately no 2-piece for $1. I wish.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today we're on Frenchmen Street in New Orleans, often called the Bourbon Street for locals. A lot of people have found Frenchmen Street down here that aren't locals, so we're gonna go check out Frenchmen Street. So if you don't know about Frenchmen Street, you're gonna learn today. Let's go. You see they still have Willie's Chicken, famous New Orleans style Willie's Chicken. Find that on Bourbon Street too, a couple of locations.
We all know about the Willie's Chicken locations on Bourbon Street. Pretty much little hole-in-the-wall locations when you've been out in Bourbon Street partying, drinking. You know, you want to get you a couple pieces of chicken, you know, sop up some of that alcohol. But this is a much bigger location. There's a lot more seating area in here where you can come sit down with a group of people and everything. And it's pretty cool. I like the decor in here. The decor is really nice. Pretty nice little style. It's the biggest of the Willie's chickens I've seen around. So yeah, it's a lot different than the one on Bourbon, but really cool. I really dig this one. Another thing that I really dig about Frenchmen Street is if you're into the food scene, because you can get some homemade food right here. There are a lot of guys that crank up the grill and crank up the smoker. You can get barbecue, you can get kebabs, you can get brisket, pulled pork, all types of different plate dinners. Sometimes you'll see a guy with a fryer up frying chicken. You know, you got the artwork, you got the music, you got the food. There's a lot to like about Frenchmen Street, and it's more of a local spot. It's not as crowded as Bourbon Street, so I really like that about Frenchmen Street. Another thing that you'll like about it is I'm going to take you inside of some of the bars in just a moment, and you'll get to see live music at its very best. As Frenchmen Street is definitely known for the live music, even more so than Bourbon Street, as we'll go in a couple bars and check out in just a moment. And who knows, next time you come to New Orleans, you may want to come here instead of partying on Bourbon Street, because I promise you, the party here is just as live as Bourbon Street, just not as many people.
Say your cha-cha with your left, and your cha-cha with your right. Back it up. What you gonna do? If you want to know where it's at, do one this and get the guy. Gotta get so far in water. We don't need no hater.
called Dat Dog. It has 3 locations in New Orleans. I've eaten here once at this location. Really cool spot if you love hot dogs. Over 30 different toppings here, and they have all different types of options. They even have a vegetarian and vegan options, believe it or not. So they really have a lot of different options here. So if you're a hot dog lover, you can have your hot dogs all different ways here. Now, if y'all know me well and see my videos, you know when I see an awesome mural, I will vlog it all the time. I love murals. Now, folks, I'm not going to have that dog, but I'm hunting down my spot that I'm going to have dinner at tonight. So we're going to find that spot really soon while I walk around and then just enjoy the music scene. Okay, folks, I think we found our dinner spot right here. I'm gonna go with Nola Po' Boys. Some pretty cool things on the menu right here. I'm looking at the gumbo. I think we're gonna go with gumbo and a beer. That always sounds good. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna check this spot out. Really cool decor. I'm really liking it. Nice little spot right here. Lots of po' boy options. We're not gonna go with a po' boy tonight. Po' boy is really filling the bread and all. I don't think I want to eat anything that filling tonight. I think I'm going to go with the gumbo. But again, I really like the decor here. The decor is really cool here. Service isn't the fastest, but this is the big easy. You got to take it easy. Things move at an easy, slow pace in New Orleans. This is the all-American meal. Gumbo and a beer. They give you a couple pieces of French toast. I would prefer crackers with my gumbo, but, you know, I'll take it. I love gumbo.
I'm a little bit of a gumbo snob, but as for Nola, Po' Boys, and Bar, I would probably give the gumbo about a good 8, 8.5. I thought it was good gumbo. Wasn't anything perfect. I would give a 10 too because I'm very picky with my gumbo. But I'd give it a good 8.5, and, you know, I thought it was good. Service was a little slow. I mean, the food came out. I don't understand why it came out in a to-go container. I don't know. I say I ate it there, but oh well, it turned out good. That's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live the day, grow today. Tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Leave any comments below. I love to interact and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.